Hello everyone. I hope you are doing well, having fun with your family, and also doing your studies. Before we jump into today's lesson, let's talk about movies. We all love watching movies. Have you noticed how actors play different roles in different movies? They put on different costumes, makeup, speak different languages, and even act differently according to the character. While watching a movie, in one scene they will show the hero having fun with his friends, and in the next scene you will see the villains planning behind the hero's back. The chapter we are going to read today deals with something similar, called a play. Now, what is the difference between a movie and a play? A movie is actually a recorded showing of a story, while a play refers to a live show where actors act out a story on a stage in front of a live audience. The title of our today's poem is All the World's a Stage, and it's written by William Shakespeare. In fact, this is not a poem. These lines are taken from one of Shakespeare's very famous plays named As You Like It. All of you were once babies, and now you're reading class 6. Next year you will be in class 7, then 8, 9, and so on. Just like a caterpillar, which first turns into a pupa and then changes into a butterfly, you will grow and change as well. Now, you won't become butterflies. You will grow and become adults. Boys will become men, girls will become women, and eventually all of us will grow old as well. These are the different stages of a human life that this poem talks about. Now let us read the poem. All the world's a stage, and all the men and women merely players. The poet here says that the world is like a huge stage, and all the men and women, all of us, are just actors playing different characters on the stage. They have their exits and their entrances. It means that all of us have taken birth and eventually we will die. And one man in his time plays many parts, his acts being 7 ages. According to Shakespeare, all of us play 7 different roles during our lifetime. It means that there are 7 different stages of our life, similarly to the stages in the life cycle of a butterfly. At first, the infant, mewling and puking in the nurse's arms. The first stage of a human life is that of an infant or a baby who is helpless and can't do anything on its own. He cries and vomits in the nurse's arms, just as all babies do. Then the winning schoolboy, with his satchel and shining morning face, creeping like snail unwilling to school. In the second stage, this child grows into a school-going child. He is innocent, but he is not willing to go to school. Just like regular kids, he thinks that he is forced to go to school and read all sorts of subjects, history, geography, maths, language. So just like you, he wants freedom and complains about this all the time. And then the lover, sighing like furnace with a woeful ballad made to his mistress's eyebrow. This is the third stage of a man's life. Now he is a grown-up person and assumes the form of a lover. He does everything to please his beloved and even sings in praise of her, just like we see in the movies. Then a soldier, full of strange oaths and bearded like a bird, jealous in honor, sudden and quick in quarrel, seeking the bubble reputation even in the cannon's mouth. In the fourth stage, when he grows older, he becomes a soldier. Now he is short-tempered and fights with everyone. He is jealous of others, he wants fame and even endangers his life for it. But success is always temporary. And then the justice, in fair round belly with good capon lined, with eyes severe and beard of formal cut, full of wise saws and modern instances, and so he plays his part. The fifth rule is that of a middle-aged man, in which he becomes mature like a judge. He now has a round belly, he is more serious compared to the other stages, and whenever he talks to someone, he talks about modern things and gives modern examples. The sixth stage shifts into the linen and slippered pantaloon with spectacles on nose and pouch on side, his youthful hopes well saved, a world too wide for his shrunk shank, and his big manly voice turning again towards childish treble, pipes and whistles in his sound. In the sixth stage, the man becomes very weak. Now he wears spectacles on his nose because of his poor eyesight. He has become so thin that his clothes don't fit him anymore. His big, loud, manly voice has turned into the shrill voice of a child. And he cannot even speak properly now because he has started losing his teeth. Last sin of all that ends this strange eventful history is second childishness and mere oblivion. Sense teeth, sense eyes, sense taste, sense everything. In the last stage, the condition of the man becomes very miserable. Now he has become very old. This is actually a strange stage of life. In this stage, all life which has previously been full of strange events comes to an end. The man acts like a child once again. His memory becomes weak and he forgets almost everything. He loses his teeth, eyesight, and even taste. This is the stage that completes the movie of life, and eventually all men die. In a play, the actors enter the stage, play their roles, and then leave the stage. In the same way, humans enter this stage-like world when they take birth, then they grow old, they play their part, and ultimately leave the world. This poem shows us different stages of a human life that all the humans who have taken birth have to go through. So this is where the poem ends. The question answers and exercises of this chapter have already been uploaded in our school's official app. If you have any queries regarding this chapter, leave them down in the comments and I will try my best to answer you. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any future updates from us. Thank you.